The modern cloud security operating model is not a destination, but rather a journey of continuously improving an organization's cloud security posture. It is a journey that involves gaining visibility into an organization's cloud environment, identifying and remediating critical risks, adopting best practices to continuously improve overall security posture, and shifting left to focus on preventing issues from even entering the production environment. In this video, I'm going to discuss four goals which you can pursue to gain excellence in this cloud security operating model. The first one is visibility. 100% visibility into any cloud, any architecture should be the goal. You should strive for normalization across clouds to simplify security for any engineer. You should also have ability to segment visibility by team based on infrastructure ownership. Then you should have comprehensive understanding of workload and cloud risks because you need to reduce the critical risks as much as possible. So you should identify the attack patterns and the paths and also the critical combination of risks. You should have clear prioritization, context and evidence for remediation down to zero critical risk. That should be the goal. Proactive reduction of the attack surface and blast radius for continuous improvement calls for democratization. You should also ingrain security into the development process through self-service and automate it as much as possible. You should strive for enterprise readiness for the next threat or business shift. Then it's all about prevention. You need to secure from source to production, including container registries, virtual machines, images, and infrastructure as code templates. You should also prioritize policy enforcement in the pipeline to prevent introduction of issues into the production. You should also implement hardened baselines to reduce drift. So I hope that these 4 points in cloud security models or pillars are useful to you. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thanks for listening.